what's up, guys? I wanted to do a quick update, kind of talk about what's going on in the market right now. It has been absolutely wild ride over the past, I don't know, couple months. If you've been living under a rock, you know, everyone has felt inflation. Let's talk about inflation real quickly. Inflation is the cost of goods going up. So remember when you were a kid, how much is a Coke? I don't know. I remember you used to go to Walmart, and I think it was a quarter back then, and you could get a Coke. Well, now a can of Coke is like $1. So in my opinion, let's just face it, it is what it is. The value of the dollar has dropped. The dollar is not worth as much now as it was, when we were kids, right? So that's a good example of inflation. I base my inflation numbers on a can of Coke. So how much does a can of Coke cost, right? That's a good base. There's people out there. I remember when it cost a nickel. Well, the dollar was worth a lot more then. The dollar traded for more. The dollar was more value. People had confidence in the American economy. Now the confidence is just not there. It is what it is. So what does that mean for you? It means for you got to be careful with your money, man. I mean, most of the markets are down. Everybody needs to stop what they're doing right now and go take a look at your 401k account. Go take a look at your mutual funds, your IRAs, your money market accounts. I know mine personally has lost 9% over the past 90 days. I mean, that's a lot of money, man. If you've got money in the market, everybody is down. So what is it that you need to do with your money? My thoughts are, man, let's pay all your debt off. Let's stop putting money in these market accounts that are losing money right now, and let's start paying off your debt. Let's pay off your mortgage. Now could be a good time to do a refinance. Pull the equity out of your house. Even though rates are a little bit higher, you could turn around and refinance it a couple years from now. I wanted to share with you, this is a chart of the past. If my chart's up, let me see. This is a chart of the past year. So you can see interest rates were down in the low threes. And now look, the national average interest rate's up to 5.5%. They're saying the rates are going to continue to be about 5.5%. You may see them creep up towards 6%. But let's take a look at this thing, guys. I want to go back over the, I just hit max here. So you can see back in the early 1980s, interest rates were almost up to 18%. Now they're down to 5.5%, and people are losing their mind because we've been spoiled rotten. But if you look at this chart, the rates have gone down. The chances of them shooting back up to a high rate environment are probably slim. It would have to be World War III or something like that. But just the smart things to do with your money right now: invest in yourself, invest in your house. If you have a business, invest in your business. Put as much money as you can into it. Now may be a good time to start a business, pulling money out of the markets, pull money out of your 401k. Who cares? You're going to take a little bit of a tax penalty, but go start that business you've always wanted to do. Go pay off all your debts because you're losing money in the market right now. I would rather stop paying interest than get, worry about getting penalized or, oh, I'm not growing in my 401k. Most people, the fact is, don't have enough money in their 401k to retire with anyways. You got $100,000. You know what? It takes $2 million at 5% interest, which you're losing probably 7 to 9% interest right now. $2 million at 5% interest to make $75,000 a year, close $75,000 to $100,000 a year. Think about that. If you don't have $2 million in the bank, you're not retiring anyways. So why are you bleeding paying debt when you've got that money sitting in the bank that you could probably pay it off anyways? That's not performing. It's costing money. Okay, I'm off my soapbox. I love you guys. I'm here to educate and to help you talk through your financial scenarios. So if you need me anytime, I'm here for you. If you need to look at refinancing and want to know what those numbers look like, I'm here for you. Love to help you restructure your debts or whatever we can do to help.